there is one thing very common between you and me. That is, whenever we hear a term negative emotion, our mind starts thinking about all the bad sequences which have happened in our life. Isn't it? Yeah. So today I am going to tell you what is negative emotion and how to control it. So hello everyone, this is Rachna Mai with you all, and today I am going to share with you a very easy trick to control your negative emotions. So let's start with it. So I would like to give you one example of my life. But before that, I would like to ask you, what is negative emotion meant by you? So I'll tell about me. When our mind wants to happen A and something happening B, that time our mind start getting negative emotions, isn't it? Yeah. So I'll give you the example of my life. Like I was in 6th standard, and that time I have joined one new school, and in that school I am not familiar with anyone, and in that school now my classmates have started teasing me. They always used to show me how dumb I am, and that time to be very honest, that time I am really not able to control my negative emotions, because when I hearing something saying me that you are dumb, you are like that, etc., etc., and blah blah. So that time my mind also start thinking like, yes, I am like that, and I have started getting depression. Really, that negative emotion is converting in depression. So that time there is one boundary with my parents. Like I can't tell my parents that they are giving this much bad words, because that bad words I can't say in front of my parents. And as I told, I was new in school, and all classmates are teasing me, so I don't have any friend with whom I can share my things. So really I am getting on the depression path. So what did I do that time? So that time I have did a simple, very simple trick which have really helped me to pull out my negative emotion. I just simply take one page of notebook, blank page of notebook, okay? And I know it will sound some funny to you, but yeah, I have write all the things in that page. Like I can't give bad words to them in front of my parents, or I can't give bad words to them in front of them. Because if I give bad words to them, then what is the difference between they and me, right? So I write all the things which is running in my mind, that they guys are like that, they are doing this, they are doing that, and I am up with this, and even I am thinking bad about me. Whatever I am thinking, I have note down on one page. And what I did, I just tear that page and I throw it out of my window. And that time I realized that I have put on all the thoughts on that page and I have thrown it. It is not going to come back to me, right? So it have gone. So that time I feel like, yeah, everything is done. I have done with all things. I have said to them what I am feeling, and it have gone. Now it's not going to come back to me. So that time I get a very calm feeling. And I realized that I am able to throw out my negative emotion. So this is the one way which is really helpful in to pull out our negative emotions. So in last 1 minute, I have tell you one very important trick to pull out your negative emotions. Go ahead and apply it. I hope it will help you. This is Rachna Vai signing off until we meet again. Thank you.